Welcome to the IntelliLearn video library, calculating infusion rates in mils per hour when the time is given in hours. Example, part 1. To calculate the infusion rate in mils per hour to deliver to the patient, you need to know the volume of IV fluid that the patient must receive, expressed in mils, and the time over which the infusion must run. This is called the rate and will be expressed in hours or minutes. In this example, we will consider a time in hours. Once you have this information, the infusion rate in mils per hour is equal to the volume of IV fluid to administer in mils divided by the time over which the infusion should run in hours. Let's now replace each of these quantities with their actual values by reading the IV fluid order. The volume of IV fluid to infuse can be read directly from the IV fluid order. In this case, it is 1000 mils. The time over which the infusion should run is also written on the IV fluid order in the field called rate. In this case, it is 8 hours. The required calculation is shown. To perform the calculation with a calculator, you simply need to enter 1000 divided by 8 and then press equals. The calculator will display an answer of 125, meaning that an infusion rate of 125 mils per hour should be set on the pump. This will deliver the 1000 ml order of 0.9% sodium chloride over 8 hours. To perform the calculation without a calculator, you can start by cancelling the fraction. Both 1000 and 8 are even, so you can apply the 2 rule by dividing by 2. This gives 500 over 4. Both numbers are even, so repeat the 2 rule, giving 250 over 2. Once again, both numbers are even, so repeat the 2 rule, giving 125 over 1, which is 125. The units of mils and hours do not cancel, giving the final unit of mils per hour. The infusion pump should be set to a rate of 125 mils per hour.